You want to save more, start investing, or just feel in control of your money. But without noticing, you might be making some mistakes that are holding you back. Today, I'm going to show you 5 common financial mistakes that are keeping people from growing and how you can avoid each one of them. Let's go. Mistake number 1, spending without a plan. Some people get paid and start spending on autopilot. Just one snack, just a little payment, no big deal. And before they know it, the month is gone, and so is the money. Without a simple plan, your money controls you, not the other way around. Want to start? Just write down what comes in, what goes out, and what's left. Mistake number 2, not knowing where your money goes. This one's a classic. End of the month and you're like, where did all my money go? If you don't know where your money's going, it's going anywhere. Small expenses, $5 here, $10 there. They add up fast. And at the end, you've got a hole in your budget that you can't even see. Mistake number 3, delaying financial decisions. Ever said this before? Next week, I'll start saving. I'll learn to invest later. This habit of putting things off is one of the biggest traps. Time is the most powerful tool you have. The earlier you start, the more money works for you. Don't wait, just start, even small. Mistake number 4, relying only on active income. If you only rely on your salary, you're always trading time for money. Want more freedom? Think about passive income. Investments, side hustles, digital products, anything that makes money even when you're not working. That's where real financial freedom begins. Mistake number 5, treating credit cards like free money. Credit cards are tools, but a lot of people treat them like extra income. It's just $200. I'll pay it next month. And boom, here comes the debt snowball. Use your card with strategy, not as an excuse to overspend. If any of these mistakes sound familiar, don't worry. The most important step is what you're doing right now, learning and changing. Transformation starts with awareness and action. So make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment below. Which one of these mistakes have you made or still make? This is just the beginning of your financial journey. Let's grow together.